tone, you've been alone, oh no, here we go again. And you said that we were only friends.